What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another walk around. We're going to jump right into this today with number 1 on my list, a non-running 2012 Audi A4. I think it's a premium. I believe this is an S-Line package as well. It's still an A4. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah, S-Line, 148,000 miles on the odometer. Body looks good. Tires look good. Little 2.0 turbo. Most likely a timing belt motor. Tires do look really good all the way around. They're mismatched, but it does look like it has good tires. Got the tow hook on there. And the one thing that I hate seeing is that means it went to a service facility, and most likely the service facility said, dump it ASAP. Now the back seat looks really good. It seemed to smell all right. Let's take a look at the front. It's got power too. It does smell like cigarettes. Yeah, there are some ashes in there for sure. Yeah, and some money. It comes with some money. Carbon fiber. Very nice. I guess I'm excited. I want to go ahead and fire this thing up, or attempt to, being that it says it. Oh, wait a minute. No key? Again? Really? Really? Well, here we go again, right? I am just not having any dadgum luck lately. No, there's not going to be a key for this one, I guess. Maybe it didn't have one. Maybe that's why it's an on-runner. Maybe it came in without a key. Or maybe, maybe somebody jacked it. I don't know. Look between the seats. You never know, these things can fall in, and no, I don't see it. No key, because it should fit right in there. So obviously, pushing the start button, yeah, will not do anything at all. We are off to a wonderful start today, guys. It's got the Bang & Olufsen stereo system. I hope I said that right. Interesting. No key. She's got power, but no key. There's a tag on the dash, and you can see the tag. I found the key tag sitting on the seat that would have gone to the key itself. Huh. It obviously had a key. Where it went, I don't know. There's nothing else I can do with this car, though. Unfortunately, we got to move on. So let's go find something else. That brings us to the next one on our list, a 1991 Cadillac Allante. I recently saw one of these on Watch JR Go's channel, and next thing you know, one pops up right here in my Oklahoma City yard. Buy it now of $900. Listed as a non-runner, I believe it. It looks like it hasn't run in a very long time. It's in very, very poor condition. I think his was in better condition than this, and he got his for like $200. This is $900. Buy it now. Oh man, these were imported, if I remember correctly, from watching his channel. These bodies were built overseas and sent over here, where we then assembled the powertrain. I can't pronounce that. Pininfarina. Yeah, I don't know. Monkey Wrench Mike told me how to say it once, but it's been a while, and I just don't remember. I think these have, what, like a 4.5 liter V8? It's a bizarre displacement engine. I don't know. Let's find out. Surely somewhere around here it will tell us. No? Maybe not. Accessory belt routing, 4.5 liter V8. There it is. It still has the belts. Everything looks like it's still intact. It's pretty clean. This is not too shabby. I think I've also seen one of these on my buddy Big Al's Bike and Auto channel. I'm pretty sure he bought one of these that was flooded, and he had to tear the engine apart, take the oil pan off and stuff, but ultimately he got it running. It looks like it's got an electronic suspension. Spider webs are free of charge. They're extra at no cost. Where would you jump start this? Well, I honestly don't know. I probably should have gone back and watched a video or two. Oh, wow. There's lots of trans fluid, and it is very, very red. Very red. That is some really good looking transmission fluid. The oil looks good. Trans fluid looks good. The only thing we're really missing is where to jumps. Ooh, wow. Swamp Vet number 2. Okay. There's where the battery terminals are back there. Someone was keeping coolant in here. There's mold and mildew and ooh wee, she is nasty. And I love it. I do. I love it. Oh, wow. The ignition sticks. Oh, the ignition sticks real bad. Real bad. Okay. Ooh, this car is gross, guys. This one's bad. This one's really bad. $900? I don't know about that. Yes, I brought a purse to work today. I left my manly bag at AR headquarters because I was working on the Mitsubishi Diamante. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, this is this is so gross. Oh, my. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so anyway, I left my bag down there, and it's got all my batteries and stuff in it too for the GoPro, so that's really, really nice. I ended up having to use some of my old batteries that I keep in case of an emergency. Here we go. Well, that should have sparked her to life there, and it didn't. Wait, wait. There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, we have a dash. Yes. 140,000 miles. Okay. Yeah, the ignition is all kinds of messed up on this. Check info center. It seems to think that the ignition is on even when it's off. Yeah, this ignition is all kinds of messed up, guys. Stop engine, engine temp. It keeps swearing that there's an engine temperature problem. The fuel gauge shows fuel. Yeah, well, darn. It registers the gears on the dash. Nothing, though. Nothing from the starter at all. Looks like the air conditioning, the screen somewhat works. That's blacked out. You got the symphony sound. It lights up, but no sound at all. Okay. So it doesn't start, but at least now we have an idea for miles. It's got 140,800 on it. The next service date was January 1st of 2011 at Bob Moore Cadillac. Yeah, at 135,000 miles. So this thing's been sitting for about a decade. Unfortunately, I don't see a kill switch or any kind of aftermarket starter button in here that you could use to try to fire this thing up. I don't really want to touch too much. There's a cigar. There you go, a Black and Mild. Yeah. This is a little rough, guys. This one's a little rough. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. I mean, I knew for $900, you know, it wasn't going to be something simple and something amazing, but I really hoped that we would at least be able to get it to crank. I never expected it to run. I just hoped that it would at least crank, and she obviously wants no part in that at all. So we'll just pack it up and say we tried, man. If nothing else, it was really cool to see one of these cars in person, inside. I don't think I've ever been in one. I don't think I've ever actually gotten to put my hands on one of these cars. So if it ran, if we could have got it started, or at least cranking, I really would have considered this car. But unfortunately, this thing is just, overall, this car is junk. Last on my list, guys, a little Mazda 3. Just an average, typical car. No fancy Mercedes, no nothing. Just your average, nice little running, driving car. 153,000 miles on the clock. It's just a little bitty Mazda 3. I don't remember what year it is, but it looks pretty good. It's got a few dings. The tires need replaced. I think that's a snow tire on the back, and you got an all-season on the front. And it would probably clean up pretty good. Well, never mind. That headlight needs replaced. But, you know, throw a set of tires on it. Give it a good cleaning. What do you think the interior... Oh. Okay. Man, I was going to say, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Needs some new weather stripping, of course. It's got power. Ooh, what's going on with the dash? Oh, wow. What is that? Do you guys see that sticky, slimy goo? Ew. Oh, wow. I don't know. Is that a rod knock, or is that like a... No, that's a rod. That's... Well, I guess that's easy enough, right? This video is awful. I almost don't even want to publish this video if it wasn't for the fact that it had the Allante in it to begin with. I don't think I would. I don't think I would. Yeah, that was a rod knock. Man, like, it sounded like a rod at first, but then when it started up and it was running, it sounded more like a lifter tap. But then when you gave it a little throttle, you could definitely hear that was a deep lower end knock. Oh boy, that oil is filthy. I'm sure it's full of metal. We probably won't be able to see it because I'm over here in the shade. Yeah, the oil's nasty. Well, hey, there you go. Just a simple Mazda 3, man. I actually like the little car. I really do. I think Mazda has a great design on most of their vehicles. I think most of their vehicles look really, really good, and they age well, too. Generally pretty reliable. So, you know, I think Mazdas are great cars, guys. Everybody thinks I'm only like a Chevy or a Ford or a Dodge guy. I'm absolutely not. I'm even starting to get to where I really, really enjoy, like, Mercedes and Range Rovers and Land Rovers and Lexus. I don't know. It's an itch that I'm attempting to scratch. We bid on a lot of cars this week, guys. We did. We bid on a lot of cars. I can tell you right now, we are winning about $15,000 worth of cars right now. So, you know, the auction's tomorrow for me. For you guys, I don't know when this video is going to come out, but stay tuned because we got more to come. And I am definitely out here trying to buy us some new content cars. That's the end. We're out of here. So do me a favor, if you enjoyed these videos, man, please hit that thumbs up button and let me know that you enjoyed the content. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. I would genuinely appreciate that. We are growing super, super quick right now, guys. We were growing at 3,300 subscribers a month, and now we are at 6,500 subscribers a month. That is huge. We have almost doubled our subscriber growth on the channel. And my goal, I do have a goal, by the end of the year, by the end of 2022, my goal is to have hit or be right there at 400,000. I think it's totally doable. I think we can do it. And I produce a lot of content. You get 3 cars per video, 2 times a day, 6 days a week. Generally speaking, on Saturday, 1 day a week, I try to produce 1 content car that's interesting. Something to fix up, something to work on, or something new that we buy. Either way, Saturdays are generally a new vehicle brought to the channel, and the rest of the week is this right here. So if you enjoy it, subscribe to the channel for more to come. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.